Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to be talking about the heart from science. The human heart beats about 100,000 times each day. It constantly pumps around 5 liters of blood per minute throughout our bodies. This remarkable organ is essential for life. Its health affects our overall well-being in countless ways. So the location and size. Your heart sits in the middle of your chest. It tilts slightly to the left side. Most people think it's on the left, but only 2/3 actually extends left of center. It's surprisingly compact. The average adult heart is roughly the size of a clenched fist. So basic structure. There's 4 chambers. The right atrium, right ventricle, and left atrium and left ventricle. The right atrium, it receives oxygen, poor blood from the body through a large vein. The right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to the lungs for oxygen. The left atrium, it collects oxygen-rich blood from the lungs. The left ventricle pumps oxygen-rich blood to the entire body. So layers of the heart wall. So pericardium, there's a myocardium and endocardium. So the first one is it's a thin protective outer layer which surrounds the heart. The myocardium is a thick muscular middle layer that does the pumping. And endocardium, which is the thin inner layer lining of chambers and valves. So heart valves, one-way doors. The tricuspid valve, the pulmonary valve, and the mitral valve, and the aortic valve. So the first one is it controls blood flow between the right atrium and the right ventricle. It has 3 flaps. The pulmonary valve regulates blood flow from the right ventricle to the pulmonary artery towards the lungs. The mitral valve controls blood flow between left atrium and left ventricle. Has 2 flaps. And the aortic valve regulates blood flow from the left ventricle into the aorta towards the body. Okay, so the circulation pathway, blood flow through the heart. So from the body, deoxygenated blood returns from body to right atrium, and to lungs. Right ventricle pumps blood to lungs from oxygen. Back to heart, oxygenated blood returns to left atrium. And to the body, left ventricle pumps oxygen-rich blood throughout body. How the heart works as a pump. So it has this diastole, a systole, and a repeat. So the diastole has heart chambers relax and fill with blood. The atria fill first, then ventricles. The systole, ventricles contract forcefully, and blood ejects into arteries. Valves prevent backflow. And in the repeat, process repeats continuously. Rate increases during exercise and slows during rest. So the electrical system, the heartbeat. So the sinoatrial node is a natural pacemaker, initiates electrical impulse. And the next one is it conducts impulse from atria to ventricles, distributes signal throughout ventricles, and results in efficient rhythmic heartbeat. So the coronary artery disease is when arteries narrow due to plaque buildup and reduces blood flow to heart muscle. The valve defects. So valves may leak or not open properly. This disrupts normal blood flow patterns. The heart failure. Heart can't pump effectively, and body doesn't receive enough blood and oxygen. So keeping your heart healthy. So a balanced diet. Eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Limit saturated fats and sodium. Regular exercise. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate activity weekly. Strengthen your heart muscle. Health checkups. Monitor blood pressure, cholesterol, and blood sugar. Catch problems early. Unhealthy habits. Avoid smoking, limit alcohol, and manage stress. And get adequate sleep. And yes, guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.